Hi, my name is Nick with Albert Air, and today we are looking at a Carrier 5-ton heat pump slimline condenser 14+SEER. This unit is very nice for side yards that don't have a lot of room, as you can see by this side yard. We have about 5 to 6 feet from the wall to the property line wall right here, which is 6 feet tall. This unit actually sits, the pad is 24 inches off the wall there. And the unit is actually 19-inch width from here to here. That is the 5-ton size. Other models can be as slim as 17 inches off. So the unit doesn't sit very far off the wall. As a side discharge unit, as you can see, the fan is coming out the side, where normal units it actually comes out the top. On this, we actually ran the refrigerant lines up the wall and through the attic to where the fan coil sits inside. We have a disconnect on the wall, and that runs across there over to where the panel is on the edge of the house right there. So it's all painted, looks really nice. We painted the line cover all the way up there, and you can see it's a very nice slim design. It's 14+SEER, made by Carrier, slimline condenser. Very nice unit. If you have any questions, please call us at Albert Air, 714-526-6368, or visit us at albertair.com for more information. Thank you.